Hot plantain crisps. A side dish from Ghana. Serves 4. You will need 5 ingredients. Step 1. Slice the plantains into rounds ½ inch thick, and sprinkle lemon juice over the pieces, stirring to moisten. Step 2. In a separate bowl, combine the ginger and pepper. Heat about 1/4 inch of oil in a heavy skillet until a test piece of plantain sputters. Step 3. Roll plantain pieces a few at a time in the spice mixture to coat surfaces, then transfer to the skillet. Fry until outsides are crisp and golden. With a slotted spoon, remove plantains to an absorbent cloth for cooling. Serve hot. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.